Hello, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. In this short video, I am showing you how I decorated my van for Halloween because I am stoked. So let's get started. Ta-da! Here are my Halloween decorations. I am a minimalist, but I do love the fall and my holidays. So I have this super cute Hocus Pocus throw pillow. Hocus Pocus is definitely like one of my favorite movies of all time. Yeah, I'm totally basic, I know. But the other side says trick or treat. I think I got this last, it probably was last year actually at Target for $5. I found it, I believe, in the dollar section of Target. So yeah, $5. And which is funny because that white fan right there is also from the dollar section at Target. And of course my super cute little fleece blankie with Frankensteins and black cats, which is fitting for Maylee. So the Halloween blanket, I don't know where it's from because it was a gift from one of my good girlfriends, Natalie. So I will be using that blanket this season. Also, I found these super cute hanging lanterns at the dollar store. So I believe the Dollar Tree, to be more specific, but they require 2 AAA batteries, which I still need to purchase, but they just go in the bottom here and then it lights up. So yeah, $1. They have purple with bats, and I believe they also had orange with like a pumpkin face. I got a purple one with bats as well. So you can use it like on a picnic table. You can hang it in your van. I mean, you can use it for all sorts of things. So really cool from the dollar store for $1. And also, last but not least, my Jack Skellington garland. So this is felt garland. It is handmade from a store on Etsy. Felt garland is actually pretty popular for homes. Now, this string is actually 6 feet, so I could unravel it and have it go all the way, but I think that would just be kind of a pain. Last year, I hung it at my trunk, but I kind of like it there this year because I have all of my other little special artsy things right there. So that's where I hung my Jack Skellington garland. So while I just have these few things, I feel festive and ready to go. I like to decorate at campgrounds as well if I do stay at them. Some campgrounds of America also even have like Halloween events. So I like to just be prepared and festive because I like to be involved in all of the super fun seasons, and like I said earlier, fall is my favorite. So let me know in the comments if you are putting up any sort of decoration in your van or RV or car or whatever vehicle it is that you camp in. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Winston and I will see you next time.